Hello, I am Shanna Von Noring, aka Shanna Von K. So I went on to my business Facebook page the other day and asked you what you wanted to see as far as cleaning how-to videos. And one question popped out to me, and that was a question that was brought to my attention by Bailey Hartline, which was, I'd like to know how to get a permanent water stain marks out of my toilet. That's one that I have been asked probably the most since I started my cleaning business. I took the time to research and trial and error and try new products, and I have found a winner. And the best part is, it only cost $1.88.
Wow.
It's one product. But before I tell you how to make your toilet look brand new again, let me welcome you to my YouTube channel. I'm also a cleaner who likes to go old school in some of my cleaning, and I believe in the power of getting down on your hands and knees and scrubbing a floor. I think it would be really interesting to go back to when I first started cleaning and check out the kind of cleaning that I did, or even take a look at my caddy and see what products I had from the beginning, because so much has changed and I've learned so much throughout the years. I have learned from my clients, I have learned from employees, I have learned from research, I have learned from YouTube. I've learned a lot, and I am so excited to share all that I have learned with you. So I'm thinking you're probably guessing what my channel will be about, but just to clarify, I'm going to be doing all things home cleaning. So you're going to see a lot of cleaning how-tos, like how to clean your stainless steel, how to clean your oven, how to get stains out of your toilet bowl, how to, clean. We will be doing segments with trying new products, because I'm always trying to grow and progress and be better. So with doing research and just watching YouTubes and preparing for this channel, I've learned a lot of other stuff to try. So we will have that segment in there. Probably do mostly cleaning, but we will be doing things like cleaning routines, how to create cleaning habits for yourself, how to get motivated cleaning, how to stay motivated cleaning, how to break things down into small projects, all things inside your home cleaning. Every season has a reason to clean. So each season brings its own cleaning needs, and so I want to break them down with you throughout the year, things that the weather would factor into, and just good projects for certain times of the year. Plus in the seasons, you get summer, winter, spring, and fall, and all of the holidays. And those come along with a ton of cleaning tutorials as well, like when you have people coming in town, how to clean up after a party, how to prepare for a party, how to keep your house clean while preparing for a party. All these things and so much more. And hopefully coming soon, I will do a garage sale month. With a garage sale, it's a good opportunity right before a garage sale to go through your house and declutter and simplify and clean. And then when you get to that part of the garage sale, how to set it up, how to organize it, how to keep people from stealing your stuff, how to get your signs out and seen, all those things. I'm a little obsessed with garage sales, so yeah, there's that. So I know I was talking about cleaning how-tos and tutorials, but things I really like to do is set up cleaning habits for myself and my family, to just kind of keep things in line. I've got the quickest, fastest clean that just is good enough, and that works too. So enough about all that cleaning and planning and all the things I plan on doing. Let me tell you a little bit about myself. So I recently, in this last year, married the love of my life, Nicholas Von Noring.
Aww.
And we have an 11-year-old son together.
Hey YouTube, this is JadenBoy27. Go check out my TikTok.
We also have 2 fur babies, Jack and Jojo. I know you didn't stick around to hear about me. You stuck around to figure out how to get your toilet to look great, brand new, perfecto. So let me just show you. This is a scoring stick or a pumice stick. And I'm just gonna show you. This is how you get your toilet and those hard water stains. You know, you've scrubbed with a brush, you've scrubbed with a sponge, but there's that little ring there or up in the middle of the toilet. There's the little holes up in there where the water comes out and you get tons there. This $1.88 product was a game changer for me. You do want to get it wet and then you just scrub away. And it just takes time, just get in there, scrub, 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 and it won't scratch your porcelain, so you don't have to worry about that. And you can use these on multiple different things as well, but if I go and clean a house and I don't have one of these, I feel like I failed my house because I can't get it perfect. So a tip with this would be get a bleach or anything that will, you know, like a lime away or bleach. This is Tilex. I just have this in my caddy because I do use this product. And so this is generally what I use. And you just spray it down the toilet bowl and spray it around, like up in the toilet bowl in the little jets. And let this sucker sit as long as you can. A good rule of thumb is maybe like 15 minutes, but I would definitely try to keep this as long as you can. Maybe even spray it again, because this might just take it all away on its own. But for that part that it just can't get there, it can't get to the 100%, your scoring stick will save you every time. It's always good to have these around. And if you have any questions, please comment below because I am here for you and all of your cleaning needs. I will be putting a video up every Thursday evening for you. So subscribe, ring the little bell. That just basically notifies you that a video has been uploaded. And if I do it consistently, that might seem counterproductive. But if I throw in a random video in there, you will know because the bell will tell you. That was me shaking the bell. Let me try it one more time. Just one more time. Okay. What event in your life would make a good movie? This would. My journey to being famous. Okay. Would you rather be in a real life version of The Walking Dead or a real life version of Game of Thrones? Definitely Walking Dead. Game of Thrones, brutal. So is Walking Dead. Oh. Next question. What did you think was cool then when you were young, but isn't cool now? I thought I was cool then. I don't think I was that cool. But if I would say my favorite movie is definitely Joy. Yeah, hands down. But she creates a mop. How ironic. Oh, if you could live anywhere, where would you live? I would live in the foothills or in a mountain. In the mountain in the foothills. Why do I have to make things so difficult? I would live in the mountains. What is your biggest fear? Actually, I'm kind of afraid of riding in boats. What would you change about yourself if you could? I would be less of a procrastinator. That's what I would change. This question says, what's your favorite thing about your career? But maybe I'll spin that to what's your favorite thing about cleaning? And my favorite thing about cleaning is the results. The clean house. I love a clean home. But another thing I like to clean, I like to clean toilets. I mean, they just are so dramatically different afterwards. That's nasty. I guess cleaning puke would be disgusting. I wouldn't like that. Oh, one of the most random things I ever found in one of my houses was, I'm not even sure if I know what it was, but it was like a seahorse skeleton. And I thought, we're in Nebraska. Where did that come from? It was a vacant house. They'd moved out, so I'm wondering if they like had it in their decor or brought it back from vacation. It was by the toilet. oh my gosh, they were killing the seahorse. That's what happened.